Hey guys, today we are in Seat Leon 5F with Climatronic unit, and I'm going to show you how to calibrate the air control flaps. So there are I believe three or four flaps that control the air distribution and temperature, and if for some reason they are not working correctly, you will have some issues with the temperature that you are getting from each side, or maybe there's a clicking noise under the dashboard, or maybe the recirculation is not working, or maybe one of the flaps was the motor that controls the flap was broken. You had to replace it, and after the replacement you need to calibrate. So I believe the procedure is very simple. All you need to do is press and hold at the same time button AC and the front vent over here, and after a couple seconds you should see some LEDs flashing. So let's try to do this. And right now we need to wait about 30 seconds for the procedure to be completed. And right now each flap is moved to the end position, one side, the other side, so the control module knows exactly what's the movement range and what's the current position of the flap. And after 20 or 30 seconds we can see that those LEDs are no longer blinking. This means that the procedure was completed, and right now hopefully the issue that you were experiencing before is gone. The air distribution and air temperature is okay, and there's no clicking noise from under the dashboard. Okay, so that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Give me thumbs up if you like this tutorial, and subscribe for future ones.